Hi, this is Micah Adler from Anyone Can Fundraise. Happy to be here with you. And yeah, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through a part of my impact playbooks, which I'm offering for free. So it's really just a tangible benefit that you can utilize. And I'm going to show you how you can get this, and I'm going to show you what it does. So if you click here on Impact Playbook and you put in your name and your email address and say activate playbook, then this is what you'll get, and then I'll give it to you, and I will even walk you through it if you would like to make sure that you understand what's going on. But it's pretty self-explanatory, as you're going to see. So this is the first part. This is just one part of the playbook. So this is here, the grant radar, and that's it. There's a bunch more that you could get if you sign up. So thank you. And here we go. So first I'll give you this one pager. So this is a one pager that explains grant discovery for nonprofits. And this will work with any LLM, and it's pretty cut and paste. It's really easy to use, and it gives you a quick explanation. All you need to do is copy this prompt and then put it in an LLM, and you can move forward. And I'm going to show you how that's done. And then it shows you what you need to do next. What are the next steps? So just obviously getting the information from a grant is not enough. You need to know what to do with that information. So what you would do is you would skim the guidelines for a fit, and then you would make sure that the deadlines have not passed and that it's a reasonable, way to go. And then you would reach out immediately and contact the case officer for the grant and say, hey, this is my organization. Does what I'm thinking fit? And it could be a capital or a program or any type of grant. And you just got to talk to them before you start writing anything. That's key. And then you start filling out the grant. You work back and forth with the case manager, and you make sure that they're on your side and they understand. It's important to talk to people, human beings, while going through this process. That's one of the key things. And I can tell you more if you want to connect and talk with me. So the first part of this, you get the one pager, but also I created a custom GPT, which basically works automatically. So this GPT is using 4o, an LLM for ChatGPT 4o, which is a bit faster, but it goes less in depth. But I'm going to show you this one first because it's quick. So all you need to do is press that, and then you get what's your organization's legal name. So I'm going to just put in Prosperity Project, which is a charitable organization in Canada. And then it's going to give you information in regards to that organization. So it's found out where it is, it's in Toronto, and what its mission is. And if that looks accurate, we're going to say yes. And then what it's going to do is it's going to create a prompt that you can use, and you can use actually this prompt in any LLM, which I'm going to show you in a second. And then it says, but you can just say yes again and use ChatGPT to get your result, which will take maybe 30 seconds. So then I'm going to click yes, and then I'm going to go through that, and it's going to search the web for the information, which is key. So all of this information is coming from ChatGPT. It's done the search for eligible grants for this organization, who's the contact person, what's the deadline, what's the award amount range, and all the important information, which I've templated. And then it says for ongoing and upcoming grants. I did the same thing for this in the O3 model, which takes about 7 minutes, but it just gives you more information. So same thing, but it gives you more information, more in-depth information, more correct information, because each LLM is not created equally. The 4o is quick, gives you information, may be correct, may hallucinate some. O3, on the other hand, is much quicker. So those are the differences. This is the O3 one. And then the same, I took the prompt from the one pager and put it into Gemini. And again, it thought I put in Prosperity Project. It gave me the same results. And then it gave me results which you can actually export to a Google Sheets directly from here, which is really cool. And it gave me, again, the ongoing and the upcoming grants. So this is very quick. And the same thing I did in Microsoft Copilot. So again, I just dropped the initial prompt and it gave me all this information, led me through, what potential grants are and what are the next steps. So this is something tangible that I will give you for free, and there's a lot more. So yeah, nice to meet you. Thank you. DM me, call me if you need anything. Have a great day. Bye.